friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Okay, I'm in my apron today to share with you a very easy freezer meal to put together. I love making freezer meals, and I especially love the ones that are quick and easy, and ones that don't take time to cook and prep. This is so fast, and you can make this quick, especially if you get a phone call that someone needs a meal. But also, you college students can make this meal. Are you hearing me, Callie? You can make this meal. You can prep it in the morning or in the night before, put it in the refrigerator, and the next day bake it up for you and your roommates. Bam, you have ravioli bake. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let me share with you the ingredients and get going on these. I have a 9x13 aluminum pan, a bag of frozen ravioli, and you want to keep it frozen. Mozzarella cheese. I have a big bag here because I have a lot of meals that I'm going to be making with it, but you basically need 2 cups. A jar of your favorite spaghetti sauce or marinara sauce. I just made up some of my Italian gravy, or you call it sauce, but we call it gravy. So that's what I'm going to be using today. And I'm also going to be adding some Parmesan cheese. Okay, while you're preparing this, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You're going to add about a cup of the sauce down at the bottom. Then just take your frozen ravioli, I'm just using a good old cheese one, and start layering it in your pan. And what's so great about this meal is there is no cooking. Like, I don't have to cook the ravioli beforehand. It makes the prep and putting together so fast and so easy. Okay, when you do that, you could add another little layer of sauce on top. I mean, you could make this anyway. You could put the cheese on top of the ravioli. It doesn't have to be perfect, just get it on there. So now I'm gonna add some of the mozzarella cheese. Okay, I'm gonna layer it with more of the ravioli. Put some more of the sauce on. Now you can add 2 layers of this or 3, but I'm actually gonna get three layers in on this. Now in here you can add meat in your meat sauce, sausage. You can put some layers of spinach in here if you want. Make it up any way that you would like. Add more vegetables. Just go for it. I'm gonna add some more mozzarella on. Okay, I'm gonna add some Parmesan, and then I'm just gonna garnish it with some parsley, because that just makes it look pretty. So wrap this up. So cook for 30 minutes covered, then after that cook for another 10 to 15 minutes uncovered. To make this into a freezer meal, just assemble the casserole as directed, wrap it up with aluminum foil or with a lid, and freeze it up to about 30 days. Thaw for 1 hour before baking, and your cooking time will be longer. So instead of 30 minutes, it could be up to an hour. So just heat it through till it's all bubbly. So if you have any suggestions for me, please leave them in the comments below so we can make this even funner the next time. Is that a word, funner? Funner. It's gonna be funner. All right, thank you so much for joining me today. We'll see you soon. Bye.